In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can create a rubric in PowerSchool Learning. And rubrics are an awesome way to provide feedback for students. As soon as you hand back the assignment, they'll be able to view that rubric with your comments. You can share them with other staff members within the district or building. And you can also use them across all of your different classes. So to get started, what I want to do is click my avatar, which is this tiny little circle up here in the top right-hand corner of PowerSchool Learning. And I want to find the My Rubric section. So I'm going to click that. And you'll notice I already have 3 rubrics created that I've used for app reviews with the Genius bar. And so I want to go ahead and create a new rubric. So I can simply do that by clicking Add a Rubric. And you have a choice of making this points-based or qualitative. So I'm going to keep this as points-based, hit Continue. We're going to title this App Review number 3, and I can click Continue again. And now I'm ready to build out my rubric. So over here on the left-hand side, you can see that I can add additional criteria, or I could delete these if I wanted to by clicking the trash can. And as I go across horizontally, I can do the same thing with these levels. So I can either delete a level or I can add an additional level and build this out as much as I want. So let's go ahead and click in criteria title 1 here. And I'll put that in, which is relevance. I'll put in my second criteria, which is usability design. I'm going to put in my third criteria, which is content. Now, because I don't need this particular criterion, I'm going to go ahead and click that trash can, and I can delete that row. Now we'll go across the top and assign our different point values. So this is going to be 4 points. I'm going to make this 3, make this 2, make this 1. And I can also change the level. So I'm going to make this level 4, level 3, level 2, and we'll do level 1. All it's supposed to do is click in the box, and I can type in the different criteria here. And so on and so forth. So I can continue to fill these fields out. Another point to mention is that you can edit the weights. So you can actually weigh the categories differently depending on how you want to set your rubric up. And then when I'm finished, what I want to do is I can save this. Again, if I'm not going to use this right away with an assignment, I just want to save it. It's going to appear as a draft. Or if it's one that I want to use, I'm going to go ahead and click Make Active. So let's go ahead and save this. Hit Continue. So let's go back to my rubrics list, and you'll notice that I don't see that one I just created here because I didn't make it active. So again, ones that you just save are going to appear underneath your draft list. Ones that you've made active and that you can actually use with any of your assignments will show up here underneath active. So in the next video, I'll describe how you can actually attach a rubric to assignment and how you can use it to grade a student's submission.